The greenhouse effect is the natural process that warms the Earth's surface by trapping heat in the Earth's atmosphere like carbon dioxide and methane. However, excess greenhouse gases cause things such as global warming and climate change, which is also not good for us on Earth. This can also cause rising sea levels and melting icebergs. Life would be impossible without the greenhouse effect, so it is very much needed. We will talk more about how to stop it in later topics. The global surface temperature has gone up a little more than 2 degrees Fahrenheit since 1850. Some of the reasons for this change is burning fossil fuels and using plastic water bottles and deforestation. We can help stop this by using less fossil fuels such as gas and diesel-powered engines and start to move to electric cars and use reusable water bottles or recycling the ones we use and chopping less trees down and plant more trees. We know this is mostly our fault because 97% of scientists believe that humans are the result of this. The sun is a part of climate change, but it is not the only thing to blame for climate change. While natural causes play a part in climate change, such as the sun, meteors, and volcanic activity, it is not nearly as big of a reason for humans. The greenhouse effect is a reason for climate change, but not the main one. Some of these examples have sped up for the surface temperature over the past few years. What do you think is the main reason for global climate change? I think it is quite obvious, being human activity. Because of how fast it sped up when the Industrial Revolution started, like when we started relying more on fossil fuels, as well as when we started to chop down forests to build new cities and neighborhoods. Possible solutions to reduce the effect of climate change are using reusable water bottles, but some non-good ways are using plastic water bottles. But if we put the plastic water bottles in the recycling bin, then it become a check mark because we recycle them instead of throwing them in the garbage. We can also use renewable energy such as solar panels, but some not good ways are things such as nuclear power plants. Some more ways is we could stop using fossil fuels, which this could be a semi-truck or a car that uses gas, or the semi-truck that uses diesel, which will burn fossil fuel. But if we use cars like Teslas or electric cars, then we use less fossil fuels, as there's smoke coming out of that and there's no smoke coming out of that, which can help reduce climate change. And these are just a few of the ways we can stop global climate change.